Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now let us look at this beautiful logarithmic equation, and it says that if x raised to the power of 1 all over log x times log x equals 1, we are told to find the value of x. So how do we go about it? Now let us take note that in this equation we have a similar term, or a term that looks similar. You can see log x here and log x here. Now for us not to complicate our issue, let's do this. Let's make log x equals what? A. So which means wherever you see log x, replace it with what? A. And remember, we are dealing with what? Log. Okay? So the whole of this equation here becomes x raised to the power of 1 over a, then times a equals what? 1. And when we multiply this, we end up having ax raised to the power of 1 over a, then equals what? 1. Remember that we are dealing with what? Log. So to this end now, let us apply log to both sides of the equation. So here you have log ax raised to the power of, take note, 1 over a, then equals what? Log 1. And let us recall, take note that this is just two different terms. So let us recall that according to the law of logarithm, if you have log AB, this is something as saying log A plus log B, right? So which means if you apply this rule here, we end up, and take note that log of 1 is 0. So which means log A then plus log x raised to the power of 1 over a equals what? 0. Also recall that if you have log, let us say a raised to the power of n, this is something as saying n log what? A, the power log. So apply that rule here. You have that this is log a then plus 1 all over a log x equals what? 0. Now recall that log x equals what? A. So substitute it here. So here we have log a then plus 1 all over a times a equals what? 0. Right? Because log x equals a. So then this eliminates this. We end up having log a plus 1 equals what? 0. Now let us move 1 to the right hand side, or let us subtract 1 from both sides. So we end up having log a equals negative 1. Remember, we are dealing with what? Log. And a is actually a log of a variable. So in this case now, since here we're having a log, and here we're just having a number, we can apply log. This also, take note that if you have log 10 base 10 equals 1, right? And in a case whereby this is minus 1, it means that this will be log 10 to the power minus 1 base 10. That will give us what? Minus 1. Or better still, to make it more simpler or more understandable, okay, this is same thing as saying minus 1 times 1, which is this. Okay, since we are dealing with log 10, here we have minus 1 times log 10 base 10, because this one represents log 10 base 10. So now according to this log, you can see that this is similar to this. We can actually transform it to this, giving us what? Log 10 to the power minus 1 base 10. Okay, now which means we can replace minus 1 with this. So here we have log a equals what? Log 10 to the power what? Minus 1. Okay, now to undo this log, we just need to raise it to base 10. Okay, to undo any log, we raise it to what? To base 10. So which implies that here you have 10 raised to the power of log a, then equals what? 10 raised to the power of what? Log 10 to the power minus 1. Okay, alright, so let me clean this. You might be wondering why I did this. Take note that if you have 10 to the power of log a, the answer will give us what? A. Alright, so to this end here will give us what? A, then equals to this end, okay, to give us what? 10 raised to the power of minus 1. Remember, a equals what? Log x. Now let us now plug in log x here. You have log x, then equals what? 10 raised to the power of 1 minus 1. Now for us to undo this log, we also apply base 10 to both sides. So here you have 10 to the power of log x, then equals 10 to the power, 10 to the power of x, okay, so 10 raised to the power of minus 1, okay, so this cancels this, we are left with what? X equals what? 10 raised to the power of 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 1, which is the same thing as saying 10 raised to the power of 1 over what? 10. And take notes, this also can be written as x equals what? The 10th root of 10. Final answer. Please don't fail to share this beautiful video with others. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.